for the U.S. Department of Labor Wage and Hour Division based out of Little Rock. I want to tell you briefly about our division, and I want to tell you about our relationship with this group. Our division enforces a whole bunch of laws, and many of which you're seeing reference to on the PowerPoint that was up. We enforce minimum wage, we enforce overtime, we enforce the child labor laws, we enforce the record requirements of the law. We enforce a slew of what you might commonly understand as prevailing wage laws. We enforce the Family and Medical Leave Act, and on and on. This year, I just looked at some information just a minute ago, and I saw that we had concluded $9 million in back wages. That's just this year. And that's just Arkansas. That's not the rest of the country. And let me emphasize, we are a little tiny state. So $9 million, and it's going to be before the end of the year. We've got a case looming with a particular company that's not too far from where we are right now, that is going to be about a $5 million case by itself. And we're going to be computing back wages for roughly, by the time it's all said and done, we're looking at about 9,000 people are going to be getting back wages. I'm particularly proud of our agency, of what we do, the mission. I had a former supervisor who used to call it God's work. It's an important mission, and when I hire my employees, I express that passion to them about what we do. And historically, you may have heard of us, and one of the things you may have heard of us is that we are underfunded. And that there's some truth to that historically, that we didn't have the resources in prior political administrations that really funded us as well as we maybe should have been funded. The truth is, the reality is though, that there's never going to be enough money because there's just too much to do. And there are other challenges as well. One of them being that because we are the government, people are going to automatically assume that we care about immigration status. And even no matter how many times we tell them that we don't care about immigration status, they are still going to believe that we care about immigration status because we are the federal government. So this leads me to my point, is the value of the relationship between us and the Northwest Arkansas Workers Justice Center. They won't have that same assumption in their relationship with this place, with this entity. And it makes it so crucial that we support it, because by the time we get done, $15 million is a lot of money, but it's not enough, and it will never be enough until we right the wrong. So the support of this agency, entity is crucial. It is crucial. So crucial that I'm here today and drove up from Little Rock just to speak to you for a few